Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the UniFi app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. UniFi is a network management app developed by Ubiquiti, designed to help users monitor and control their UniFi devices like routers, switches, access points, and security gateways. With this app, you can view real-time performance stats, manage settings, reboot devices, and receive alerts for outages or performance issues, all from your phone. It's especially useful for IT admins or anyone managing UniFi-based home or office networks. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app interface is clean and intuitive, with good visibility into network traffic, connected devices, and health status. Users appreciate being able to diagnose issues and push updates remotely. The remote access via UniFi Cloud is also a strong plus, and the ability to configure VLANs, SIDs, and security features adds solid control for advanced users. However, it's not without issues. Some users report that the app can be buggy after updates, and remote access occasionally fails to connect reliably. A few functions still require access to the full web dashboard, which can be frustrating for mobile-only users. There are also complaints about loading speed and missing deeper configuration tools within the app itself. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, UniFi is a powerful tool for monitoring and managing your network on the go, especially if you're already invested in the UniFi ecosystem. While not perfect, it's one of the better mobile solutions for advanced network control. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.